In this video, we will be going over the theory behind the math examples. Let's begin now on MathCat. 3, 2, 1. How do we find the perimeter and area of a rectangle, and what is the definition of a rectangle? Let's start with a definition. A rectangle is first a quadrilateral. Quad means 4. Quadrilateral means having 4 sides. Secondly, opposite sides of a rectangle are parallel to each other. Third, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal length. Fourth, there are 4 right angles in a rectangle. So how do we find the perimeter of a rectangle? And the answer is we add up the length of all 4 sides. We call them length and width because 2 of them are lengths. This would be a length. This would be another width, where the lengths are equal and the widths are equal. So we could write down, if we went down and added up all 4 sides right around, we'd have W width plus length plus W plus length. Or we have 2 W's and 2 L's, 2 times the width, 2 times the length. How do we find the area of a rectangle? We multiply length times width. Length times width. Whatever the units are for the length, if it's centimeters, the perimeter will be in units, centimeters. The area will always be in square units. Sometimes we write centimeters squared. Or if it's inches, we can have inches and inches squared, yards and yards squared, so forth. Perimeter is a linear measurement. Area is a square measurement. For example, if we had a rectangle that was 8 inches long and 4 inches wide, our perimeter, we could say, would be 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4, or 24 inches. That's because opposite sides are the equal length. So we have 2 sides that are 8 inches, 2 sides that are 4 inches. Or we could multiply 2 times 8 and add it to 2 times 4, 2L plus 2W, and we'd still get 24 inches. And again, the units are important. With perimeter, you're measuring distance, so it's a linear unit. Here I divided up the rectangle into square units. 8 units long, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4 units wide, 1, 2, 3, 4. And by drawing the squares roughly, you can see that area is a square measurement. For example, this square right here is 1 unit long and 1 unit wide. And if we add up 8 of those across and 4 of those this way, we end up with our area measurement. And we multiply length times width. The length is 8. The width is 4. We end up with 32 inches squared, or square inches. And the reason why we call them square inches is because we have 32 of these squares. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 of these square inches. So whenever we're measuring area, the units are squared. Whenever we're measuring perimeter, it's a linear measurement going around the object like this. So it's just a linear measurement in inches. That's how you find the area and perimeter for a rectangle.